You will never be wasting your time if you are really doing deep listening with customers and prospects. A really key moment early in my career was the acknowledgement or the recognition that marketing doesn't make it, meaning they're not engineering, they're not product, they're not the people who are actually making that product or service. And so for me, recognizing that and early on adopting that my value and the value of marketing is going to be the voice of the customer. I do believe creating amazing experiences for your customers and prospects through the way you engage with them matters. And that goes far beyond your products and services. That goes far beyond the four walls of marketing. I think you should actually let your programs and the way that you operate as a company speak for itself on your values. You don't need to be marketing your values. You need to demonstrate it. I think a big breakthrough is bringing the customer into the marketing much earlier. And the way to do that is through information sharing and conversation with your customer community. So my hypothesis is that if all the content around your brand is created by your brand, you won't be successful. In this new information sharing economy that we live in, that companies, that marketing, brands need to be co-creating alongside their customers and their influencers and the advocates. They don't want to be pitched. And I think just allowing your customers to tell the story without a ton of fit and finish and you kind of curating it and putting it always into your speak, it builds trust. Twofold. One is to place a higher value on your intuition. I've always been somebody that wanted a lot of data and a lot of things and to substantiate, to validate my decision. Maybe that's something you earn for yourself over time, but I would just encourage people. I think sometimes I've seen it, frankly, in a lot of young women, like sort of second guessing themselves or needing so much to validate a decision. And then what happens is sometimes you miss the opportunity. The market is changing so fast that I think right now a bias for speed and a bias for action matter more than anything. And so I just give myself more permission now to go on my intuition than I did most of my career. The second would be, and fits with what I've been talking about earlier in this conversation, which is I always say, get out of the building. And that's a metaphor because we're actually all not in our company buildings these days. But a lot of times in marketing, we get so mired into all the functional aspects that we don't stay on the pulse of what actually is happening for our customers and prospects. I always tell people, whether you're on events or product marketing, it doesn't matter. Like every single role, you will never be wasting your time if you are getting out and really understanding how the challenges that the customers are facing really deeply. And I always find that like when I get out and I spend more time with the customer and prospect, I was like, oh, they just gave me the answer. The answer was right there.